A living room is a room in every home used for reading books, watching TV, hang out with family and friends, enjoying Netflix and whatnot. I spend most of my time here, and this area perhaps is the most used area of our home. Hey guys, welcome back to the brand new episode of It's Good to Be Home और मैं हूँ नेहा। मुझे चाहिए था एक ऐसा घर जिसमें आने के बाद एक खुशी का एहसास हो, एक सुकून हो, एक वार्मथ हो और एक कंफर्ट हो। और मैंने शुरू किया है अपने हाउस को होम बनाने का सिलसिला अपने लिविंग रूम से। फॉर मी द एंटायर आइडिया टू डिज़ाइन एनी स्पेस इन माई होम, it should be functional, beautiful, accessible, and at the same time it should be affordable. As you all know, I live in a rental apartment. Here I am giving you some glimpses of before makeover. The main problem area with this space was this front wall, which has been destroyed by hanging and changing different wall decors. And Mohit has come down as my savior to fill up the wall holes and paint this despite being so busy with his work. Also thanks to the urban company guy who helped me doing the fitting of curtain rods so well. The previous curtain rods were all rusted and of no use. In my opinion, to change the curtains has been the complete game changer to enhance the look of this room. I always wanted to create a gallery wall at my place. Well, I can't say this is a perfect one, but it surely represents me. I like knowing people, exploring places. I want to live slowly, and I like doing things at my way at my pace. Here I am installing a Nordic style wooden floating shelf, which is my DIY from a cardboard I got from a broken mirror. To give it some height, I am adding a book, a bird, which is actually a planter, and a live money plant to make this space look more vibrant and fresh. There is a bookshelf here where I have kept some kids' books. In the above shelf, there is a aroma diffuser and a Nandi. Above to this, again kids' books, I think the Geronimus series. And here a wooden ant which I got from Banjara market and I totally loved it. Above to this, I have kept this star and a little cute kettle. Plants are always a great idea when you want to add that little greenery. So here I am shifting this beautiful areca palm to its original place. Here on the opposite wall of the sofa, this wooden carved shelf which I got from the Noida Hut, I am adding some knickknacks like this Eiffel Tower, this home sign, and again a tiny money plant. Yes, a wooden heart is also there which I have got from Banjara market. As this wall is around 16 feet long, on the other side there are 3 wall shelves which are occupied with things like Gita. As we say, the solution to every problem lies in Gita and Buddha. You can say this is the spiritual green corner of this room with lots of plant, candles, and spirituality. I have packed my home theater system in this box which we have wrapped in a gift packing sheets as we were not using this here in this house, and I have kept my printer on this. Here is our TV This TV unit we got from a local furniture shop in Delhi, as this place did not have any suitable wall for TV. The best part about this TV unit is we can hide all the wires, or we can say all the ugly wires backside of the unit, and this gives a very neat look to the room. Even I have kept my Alexa here. Furnishing. Using a yellow color throw to add warmth. I have not been a fan of matchy things. Instead, sustainability is more important to me. So, adding random cushion covers. The good thing is they are also in fashion. And these cushions add comfort and obviously coziness to the room. A neutral rug and a coffee table completes the whole look. Completing the whole look with some decor on coffee table. Though this is not a usual thing, I like to keep it simple when kids are at home. And now, before and after. Please do give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and comment the things you like the most.